Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you how you can make a lot of money every single day when trading. The first thing you are going to need when trading is a good exchange. Binance is a very good exchange when it comes to trading because it has a lot of liquidity when trading, so your trades will be executed very easily when using Binance, and also it has lots of coins to be traded on. So Binance is a very good exchange when trading. That is the first thing you would need. Now the second thing you would need is a very good platform for drawing your charts, for price analysis. Now when you want to analyze the price chart, you would need TradingView. Now TradingView is what I use when I want to carefully analyze the price chart. And I'm going to show you exactly what you will need to know when using TradingView. When you want to make fast income on Binance, you can't do it using spot trading. Spot trading is simply buying and selling. You can't make large profits when buying and selling in a day. Spot trading takes time for the profit to accumulate to a greater percentage. What I use is obviously futures trading. Now, when you go to derivatives, you can click on USDM futures. Now, futures trading is what I use when it comes to making money every single day, because you cannot just buy and sell. You can also do that with leverage. Now, leverage is what I use when it comes to making massive gains with little capital on Binance. You can use leverage up to 125x. Now, what this means is that when the price of the asset you are trading moves up 1%, you will get 125 times profit. This is how I make large profits with less capital. Now, for me to safely do that, I would need to know and understand technical analysis. For me to do my technical analysis in a very proper way, I can use this Binance price chart, because even this price chart that you see displayed here is gotten from TradingView. This is a TradingView price chart, so I will go directly to TradingView to make my price analysis. This is how your TradingView platform will look like. Now, there are lots of things to talk about here. There are lots of things that you can do on TradingView. You can use indicators when trading on TradingView. If you go to the indicator templates right here, you will see different indicators that you can use right here. But when trading, when making profits, I will tell you that there are only two indicator templates you would need here. Just two. And when you use those two, you'll be able to make massive gains every single day. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I hope you are fired up right now in this video, because right now in crypto, there is a lot of money flowing into crypto, and I'm going to show you how to get a piece of that pie. So if you are looking forward to my trading strategy and trading plan, I will suggest you give this video a thumbs up, and also try to subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot, and I really appreciate this video. This is going to be it for this video, and in my next video I am going to show you exactly how to use all this to make profit every single day. Goodbye, and I will see you in the next video.